So guys, finally Claude Fable 5 has returned and let me show you. So you have to just go to Anthropic like Claude AI, and if you take a look at here, there are Claude Fable 5 is present, and they are also written that included until July 7th, means you can use it until July 7th. So you have 1 day to use. So let me just show you how you can use this at free of cost, because you can see this is paid right now, right? So you can't use this model as if you have a free account like me. So how we can use that? For that, I got a website that names GenMax.ai, and yeah, it's not completely free of cost, but you can use it at free, because here you can see it written try Claude Fuel 5 is free, and this website is genuine. Why I'm saying this? Because if you just go to models here you can see at left hand side the makers of this website are Alibaba, Anthropic, and Baidu. So these three giants is the are the makers of this website. So now you understand why I'm saying this is a genuine website. Now there are something that you can see here. You can see they provided all the models at a very low price. If you take a look here, there are some Nano Banana 2 Lite, and there is Claude Sonnet 5 as well, and there is Claude Sonnet 5 free as well. Okay, so what's the difference between these two? If you take a look at free of cost, you can use 1.29 billion tokens, but at paid, you can use 20.9 billion tokens of Claude Sonnet 5. And same with, if you take a look here, you can see Long Cat as well. I've already created a video how you can use that at free of cost. Then there are Bytedance, okay. Then here GLM 5.2, and there are Kimi K 2.7 as well. Then here you can see there is Claude Fable 5 as well, which is free of cost and paid as well. Now what's the difference? Same 1.58 billion tokens in free of cost and 32 billion tokens at paid. Now the thing is, why I'm saying it's not completely free. Just move to chat here. Let's see, I have selected Claude Fable 5 and click on chat. Now when you click, you got this page here. Okay, now when I just type hi, you can see there is a message showing that is account overdue, and it says your account is currently overdue. Means you have to just keep a positive balance to use this model. Now how you can do that? So there are two ways to do that. First one is subscription mode, and second one is pay as you go. So in pay as you go mode, they give you full model access, okay, but in subscription mode, you got some covered by whatever subscription plan you have selected, okay. So yeah, these two are the way to use this model. Now the thing is, I'm not going to use this right now, because I'm not going to use just pay this, okay. So I hope I'm genuine here, and if you like this video, make sure to like it, and if you want to try it, you can just go and use it, because it's a genuine website, you can use it. But I don't need this, so I'm not going to use this, okay. So yeah, you can go and check this out, guys, because you can't go and buy this plan here, that is upgrade plan, which is quite higher. So you can just go to this GenMax.ai and use this plan. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and subscribe our channel. I hope you will love this. Okay, so see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.